Olivia! Wait! I know you're upset!
I have something for you,
Thank you.
but it's not yours.
But why did Leo risk his life for someone who never loved him?
Leo, 12 years old, is in the kitchen preparing food alone in the quiet early morning. His face is kind but tired.
Son, a kind heart is strong, even when people are not kind to you. A kind heart is strong. Time for breakfast! Looks delicious.
Good morning, Mom. The sun is so beautiful today.
Good morning, my sweet angel.
You will never be part of this family.
I have a special treat just for you.
Oh, thanks, Mia. That's so nice of you.
But first, let's play a game.
Oh, no. Mom! Leo pushed the table. He made me drop my milk. He is so mean to me.
Leo, look at this mess. You are so careless. Get the towel and clean this right now. You will not have lunch today.
I'm sorry. But, stepmother, I did not.
Are you calling my daughter a liar? Clean the floor.
I'll get this cleaned up in no time. Smile and be happy. That's what Dad said. Almost done.
Ah, this is so refreshing. Aren't you hot out there?
I'm fine.
All right, girls. Blue Mountain is this way.
Stepmother, please wait. Look at the sky. A big storm is coming.
You are so silly, Leo. There is no storm. The sun is shining right here. You are just jealous because you have to stay home. Stop talking, Leo. You do not know anything about the weather. We are going to the mountain. Go inside and clean the floors.
Please be careful, Mom. Please.
Mia, look out! Something is wrong. I'm scared, Olivia. What's happening? Stay close to me.
Mom, it is so dark. Where did the sun go?
I'm worried about the storm. Please reconsider. Leo was right. We must go back to the car. Hold my hand, Mia.
Okay, Olivia.
Walk slowly. It's slippery. Be careful. No. Oh, it hurts. It hurts so much. I can't move it. Please, help me.
Help! My leg! Mia, please help me.
Of course, big sister.
No, I can't. The mud is too deep. If I go down, I will fall too. I am too scared.
Mia, I am your mother. Do not leave me here. The water is rising. I will go find help. Goodbye, Mom. No, I have to go. Mia, no, come back. Where are they? The storm is getting really bad. They said they'd be back hours ago. Please be safe.
A kind heart is strong. All right, time to go.
Mia, where is Mom?
She fell. Her leg is stuck.
I was too scared.
You left her there?
Leo, wait!
Help, please. Mom, I am here.
Leo, you came for me? But I was so cruel to you. Hold on, Mom. I will get you out. Leo, stop. It is too heavy. It is too dangerous.
No, Mom! I will not leave you!
You're free. Thank you. I've got you. Here, take this.
Leo. I was selfish. I left my own mother because I was scared. And you came to save her. I am sorry. I was very cruel to you. I hope you can change, Mia.
I was blind, Leo. I listened to lies and ignored the truth. You have the bravest heart. I am so sorry.
I forgive you. Tomorrow morning, you will not wake up early to cook for us. We will make breakfast together.
And from today, Mia, you will do your own chores. Leo is not your servant. I understand, Olivia. I will do them from now on.
And sometimes, the person nobody values becomes the person who saves everyone.
No! No, please! Make it stop! I can't move them! Help! You okay? Here, let me help you. I'm fine, but thank you. It's really bad out here. You should come with me.
I'm coming, Olivia. Just hold on. I've got you. Just hold on.
You came back.
All right. Just like Grandpa showed me. There. Safe and sound. I did it.
Come on, you brute! Move! You're wasting your time, Leo. That rock isn't going anywhere.
Leo, stop! Don't worry! It is too heavy. It is too dangerous.
No, Mom. I will not leave you.
You can't do this, Leo. 1, 2, 3. P-U-L. Ah! Finally! Let's get you covered.
Thank you.
We need to find shelter. I'm sorry. It's okay. We're okay. Leo, I was selfish. I left Mom because I was scared. I'm sorry I was cruel to you.
I hope you can change, Mia.
I was blind, Leo. I listened to lies. You have the bravest heart. I am so sorry.
It's okay, Olivia.
Tomorrow morning, you will not wake up early to cook for us. We will make breakfast together. And from today, Mia, you will do your own chores. Leo is not your servant.
I understand. You're right. Kindness really is the only way.
And sometimes, the person nobody values becomes the person who saves everyone. Help! Anybody? Oh, God! I'm cold! Please! I found you!
Oh, Leo, you shouldn't have been out here. Mom, what are you doing? Leo!
Leo, you came! Don't worry, I'm here! Oh, Leo! Hold on, I'm gonna get you out of here. Leo, be careful, it's too heavy. I can do it. Just need to find the right leverage. Right, here goes nothing.
Hold on, I've got it. It's secure.
Hurry! Hurry! I need to move it. Just a little more. It's not moving. Need to try again. Leo, stop! It's too heavy. You'll hurt yourself.
No, Mom, I won't leave you. I won't.
HNNGH. Got it! Oh my gosh, thank you! We did it! You saved me! Here, take this. My leg! It's okay. I've got you, Mom. Leo, thank you.
Leo? It's okay, Mia. I was selfish. I left Mom. I was scared. I'm sorry I was cruel to you. It's okay. I forgive you. I hope you can change, Mia. We'll be all right. I was blind, Leo. You have the bravest heart. I'm so sorry. It's okay, Olivia. I forgive you.
Tomorrow, we make breakfast together.
Okay.
And Mia, you will do your own chores. Leo is not your servant.
Okay, Olivia.
And some people are kind only when life is easy. But a truly kind heart stays kind, even inside the storm.
Here. And sometimes, the person nobody values becomes the person who saves everyone. I'll be there for you. Olivia! You're safe! Leo, I was so worried. I found you. Just hold on.
Leo?
No, how did you find me?
Okay, I can do this. I'll tie it here. All right, that should hold. Come on, let's go!
Arg. Come on. Just a little more. I can do it.
Leo, please! It's too much! You'll get hurt!
I won't leave you, Mom!
Arg!
Olivia, I've got it!
Oh. Are you okay? Here, put this on.
I don't need it.
Yes, you do. It's too cold.
Thank you. Leo? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to break it.
It's okay, Mia. It's just a dish.
Really? You're not mad?
Of course not. Come on, let's clean it up together.
I was selfish. I left Mom because I was scared. I'm sorry I was cruel to you. I hope you can change, Mia.
I was blind, Leo. You have the bravest heart. I'm so sorry.
I know.
I forgive you, Olivia. Tomorrow, we'll make breakfast together.
Yay!
And Mia, you will do your own chores. Leo is not your servant.
I understand, Olivia.
You are a kind and strong young man, Leo. Always remember that.
Some people are kind only when life is easy. But a truly kind heart stays kind, even inside the storm. And sometimes, the person nobody values becomes the person who saves everyone. Keep up, Leo. We can't stay out here. Wait, I can't see the path anymore. Thank you, Leo. I don't know what I would have done.
It's okay, Olivia. We'll be all right.
We can do this, Olivia. I know, Leo. Let's keep going. Keep going, Olivia. We're almost there. I don't know if I can, Leo. Yes, you can. Just one more step. Thank you, Leo. The path is clear now. We'll be there soon. Thank you, Leo.
You look so much better, Leo.
Thank you, Olivia.
We're glad you're safe now. Leo, I was selfish. I left Mom. I was scared. I'm sorry I was cruel to you. I hope you can change, Mia. I know things can be better for us.
I was blind, Leo. You have the bravest heart. I'm so sorry. It's okay, Olivia. I forgive you. Tomorrow morning, we'll make breakfast together.
Yeah, tomorrow. We will.
And Mia, you will do your own chores. Leo is not your servant.
Okay, I understand.
True kindness, my boy, is a light you carry inside you.
Some people are kind only when life is easy. But a truly kind heart stays kind, even inside the storm.
And sometimes, the person nobody values becomes the person who saves everyone.
Ah, hold on! I've got you! We need to keep moving. Are you okay? My leg. Leo, thank you, thank you. You got it, Olivia. Take your time. Thank you, Leo. Just one more step. We have to keep moving. Keep close. What was that? Move! Now! That was close. Are you okay?